Okay, so we have our test software downloaded. Let's go ahead and install it. So to do the install, just double click on the installation file, this VL English V-locity-7.exe. So we'll double click on that and say run. And then it'll extract the installation media for your type of machine. So say yes, we want to continue. Okay, so on the first screen, just hit next. Then choose the default installation path. You can change that if you want to, but most people just install it to this place in Program Files. So we hit the install button. Okay, that's it, job done. So we can hit finish and we have our copy of the V-locity software installed. Within a couple of minutes after this, you'll start seeing benefit from the software. Not the most difficult piece of software to install, it's pretty quick. You'll notice as well, what I didn't have to do was reboot the computer or reboot the virtual machine. There are no reboots required. There's no disruption to any live running workloads. It really is that simple. Just download it and install it, which is great if you're trying to put it onto something like a SQL server that you really don't want to disrupt or reboot. You don't have to. So yeah, that's it. The software's installed. To access the software, you can click on the Start button and then go to Condusiv Technologies V-locity, and that will open up the interface. Opens up in a browser, and there we have it. So in the next video, I'll show you a little bit about the reporting. We'll get some statistics on this dashboard here. The stats will start showing up after a minute or two, but yeah, we'll have a quick look through that and you can see how to validate what the software has been doing for you.